Ihinda riri mukana wa kafyu urathie na mbere gukinyanirio guothe bururi-ini ni hindi turia nime twiyukireirie kugetha kuria tutahandite. Kaunti ya Narok, Agwimi aria mangikorwo na mubango wa kugwima runyanjara-ini rwa nyamu cia githaka rwa Masai Mara, undu umwe na aria mangikorwo na mibango ya kubura mikawa iria kwa ihinda riri itari na mihango irathie na mbere iria iri runyanjara-ini ruu maruteirwo mukana wa kungethanirwo nao.
So just for the benefit of any person who is thinking that maybe they can now go after our rhinos or after elephants because of any reason, we are prepared, we are ready, our security people are ready to protect the wildlife in the Masai Mara Game Reserve. That all those establishments, all those lodges and camps are also being protected properly.
Mwena-ini wake, komishona wa kaunti ya Narok Samuel Kimiti arathingata aruti wira migunda-ini iria iri gicigo-ini kia Mau Narok gutia mawatho maria magathikirwo riria maratabania mihango yao ya o muthenya macibu a matura matiganite makihokerwo kibarua gia gutigirira mawatho maria magathikitwo ni marumirirwo.
Mnajua upande huu wa mwisho wa rami na ile town inaitwa Oletipis, kuna watu ambao wanapata mapato yao kwa harvest viazi ama kuvuna viazi, na wanabebwa na matinga na marori, wanabebwa wakiwa wengi. Hata hiyo lori lazima iwekwe sanitizer na ibembe watu kidogo, kwa sababu hii sio wakati wa kawaida vile walikuwa nabeba wakiwa wamejazana.
The lockdown of Nairobi, I think it is long overdue, because the threat to Narok and other places is Nairobi. So we thank the President for those measures and will continue to support and implement whatever directive we receive from His Excellency the President or the CS Health Mutikagerie.
Runyanjara rwa nyamu cia githaka rwa Masai Mara rurehagira kaunti ya Narok ciringi bilioni 2 o mwaka. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Ani Ngigĩ wa Nyamu.